guys, I'm Ralian Garcia and I created this video to summarize what I've learned about information management, data and information, and also the ER diagram. It's been a really interesting journey and I'm excited to share what I've learned with you guys. And now let's get started. First, let's talk about the difference between the data and information. Think of data as raw and organized facts. It's just a bunch of numbers, letters, or symbol on their own. For example, the number 25 is just data. But when we put that number into context, like the student's score on the test was 25, it becomes information. Now let's proceed to the information. We also learn about the information, and information is data that has been processed already and given meaning. It's useful and help us make decisions. So we start with the raw data, we process it, and we get meaningful information. That's the core of information management. So, ano nga ba ang information management, o what is information management? Information management is all about how we handle and organize this information. It's the process of collecting, sorting, protecting, and getting rid of information in an efficient way. It helps organizations make sure they have the right information at the right time. A good example is a library. A library has a system to organize books, so you can easily find the one you need. That's a simple form of information management. In the digital world, it's the same idea, but on a much bigger scale. And finally, I learned about the entity relationship, or the ER diagrams. These are visual tools like blueprints that help us design databases. They show us how different things or entities relate to each other. An entity is a real-world object like a student or course. Each entity has attributes, which are the properties that describe it. For a student, attributes might be their name, ID, address, or their age. The lines connecting the entities show the relationship between them. For example, a student enroll a course. We look at two main types of notation of ER diagrams, which is the chain notation and cross-foot notation. The chain notation, this uses rectangles for entities, diamonds for relationships, and oval for attributes. It's a classic and very descriptive way to show a database design. Next is the cross-foot notation. This is more popular in databases designed today. It's simpler and uses lines with different symbols on the ends like cross-foot to show the type of relationship: one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. It's very clear and easy to read. So, in this video, I covered the difference between the data and information, what information management is, and how ER diagrams help us visualize databases using both chain and cross-foot notation. I hope this summary was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye!